Software bundle, serial number. I have the serial number with me. This is my serial number. It's a virtual thing, this thing. Serial number of the virtual identifier. Sent to the owner. Password. Valid character into the field. Okay, never mind. I think that's something to do with the feature license. I don't have the feature license. It's actually not going to be there into the demos and all. So what else we were going to do? Under the access policies. Once this is done, we'll go and create that. Here we have set up the global policies for that. So this is done. And I need to go into the monitor here. Sorry, not there. Next to that, it's a monitor. Okay, so like I just need to go and click onto the URL filtering monitor there. And once I have done this, okay, so for internet, we actually gonna go and do a block there. But for internet, we're gonna do and like it's gonna be, you know, the it's gonna be allowed. So now I'm gonna set it up in monitor. Going to be allowed. Oh, did I do the opposite way? Okay, sorry about that. I need to do is like for internet. You have selected two different profiles on a different thing. Going to go and connect that. It's the intranet policy, and this is allowed. You must specify authorized user. Oh, okay. Okay, so now I need to go and do allow here. Select yes. This one is going to be block. Submit. Or the last one, this one, as of now, it's actually showing nothing in that way. Because it's like what I showed you previously on the screen, it's actually like where you have to go and block all the other rest for this. Since I don't have a license here for the services and all, I was not able to do that. But once this is done, we are good to go for the things. And like you just have to do a block here as well. Like the global policy, just put a block there. So once that is done, we're gonna start and check it out if my WSA policy is working fine for me. Just go and comment that. Also on my code switch, since I'm using a code switch there. Okay, let's go and do an HTTP server, maybe HTTP server. Okay, so generate crypto, right? Crypto, the generate, let's say. Okay, name server. We'll go for it. In short, my port 80 should be working fine with this. Okay, so let's go ahead and check it out. Let's give the IP address. I was gonna give an IP address to my the PC. Let's go and give that. Sorry, that's gonna be 10.2.35.3. 10.2.35.1. My DNS is going to be 192.168.1.5, and the secondary one is going to be 8.8.8.8. Listen, okay. It should get the things proper. Okay, I'm getting a network tree there. It doesn't have to be an internet there. Let's go ahead and check it out. If like I'm getting in the HTTP cisco.moonlabs.com something. Okay, so let's go. I think I might have I don't know from there. TP infra. No, but okay. Let me see if I'm able to reach that. Could be because my router might not be able to know that. Just a moment, let me check it out. Let's look at okay. 1.5. Want to get stuck? Okay, because my router is not able to get that IP address, we can give it out here, which is going to be 10.2.35.0 to 55 to 55 to 55.0. And it's going to be pointing to my the event G, or else like I can actually use 192.168.1.53. And now if I just go and check it out, if I'm able to ping, what we'll do with that. Able to ping my gateway. My gateway should be able to do that. Oh, that's I see where the problem is. Second problem. Yeah, I can get inside. I'm able to get inside. Okay, let me just check if I'm able to do an RDP. Not 2.35, but 3. It's going on internet. Okay, okay, okay. That's the reason it was able to. But I have given that out, right? So like it should get inside. Okay, let me just since that's my gateway, I think that is where it's actually malfunctioning the things up. I need to configure the things up for my gateway. Just and then 168. One. Okay, let's check it out now. Where it is going. Yep, that's how it should be. Now it should be reachable. Let's go back to the lab. Yes, now it's working fine. That's where I got my page. Proxy unlicensed and it's actually getting bypassed. Your URL filtering bypassed. That's basically because of the license. Internet access is not available without proper licensing of the security device. If you have questions, then go to that. Okay, then we check HTTP. Let me check with internet and intranet. Okay, so like it's like this is intranet, and let's check with internet. Okay, I'm getting a page there. So you just go and check it out. What was the password for this? Okay, let me just type the admin password as well. me type required your connection is to this is not secure. Am I able to ping the 172.10.1.1? Yes, I am, but how it is going? Is it going via internet? Yep, it's actually going to my server, which means my configurations there is working fine. Let me just check it out if I can remove it via IP address, okay? So for this, I'm getting an like internet access is like for this, okay? It's like for internet, I'm not getting that. But for internet, when I'm doing, I'm getting an like a page. So let's check out the doing that. So basically, it's like something to do with my authentication, and I'm just checking it out with that while like why it is actually showing in that way. Let me go on to my like the switch and just like check it out. Okay, so my internet server is that. So show IP HTTP server history. You can see that like I'm trying from like that. It's like that's how I'm gonna do. And the exam is gonna be like you'll be getting a password for that. It's like Cisco. Uh, it's gonna be the contractor PC, which is gonna be like that. So I should be able to this authentication to implement this. Okay, just let me check like for the domain. Okay, so I'm gonna create a new user. See, okay. Let me put it into the members. The domain admin. Let me keep both. Okay, so let's see what these are. Okay. should use this password. Okay, like I should get that password. It's actually the switches password, which I'm trying to, but I'm not getting the access to that. I don't know why. Let me check. Yep, that's the username password for me. So it should be like that, and it should work fine. But I'm not getting that. Why is that? Okay, let me just check if I can do something. Basically, the idea is like this is actually working. The configuration is working. So let's go ahead and check R10 if that is the iOS which I'm basically was working on. Show IP WCCP. It should get me the configurations. You can see the total of number of packets redirected is 40, which is a good sign for me. So that's how it should be. Okay, like this is the output we were looking for, and that's where we kind of complete things up. It's just the we are not able to get the authentications right for this. That's my thing. Okay, and basically like it's the this page we should be getting the the switch pages and all. Okay, like but the thing is, since I'm not having the um the license, it's actually clearly stating that the proxy is unlicensed. That's basically because of the feature license we don't have. I have a demo license which actually should be working fine for this, but like it's not working in that way. I might raise a Cisco tag for that, like for the next sessions or something. In that, I'll make sure that this is done. But definitely the work, the lab work actually fine for me. The configuration is working fine for me. It's just that like for the WSA, you know, this specific thing is not working because I don't have the license. It's actually clearly states that the key features for the setting has been expired or is unavailable. That is because I don't have a proper license. I have to go into the acceptable use controls for that. When I'm going there, I'm getting like to request a new license from that. Okay, so like when I go into the licenses, of course, it's actually showing me that the license is not there. It's not registered. But when I'm having the license here with me, uh, this is the I'm have done the demo license to me, so like it should not be a problem. And I can't go and register the the configurations here, like the appliance here to my portal. It's actually a demo license, and it should be fine in that. So I'm done with the configurations and all for this. We can do is wind up for today. It's actually done for this today. Hope you have learned a lot for this. And let's see if you have any questions regarding this. You can go ahead for that. It's not a workbook actually. Like I just made a lab. Okay, so it's basically like you anybody can actually make that lab. It's way simpler. Uh, It's just that you need to do things and all in that way. Okay, so it's actually kind of like you just need to know what to do on the ASA. It's a simple term. I just did is the add the Active Directory realm in this, and basically then go into the web security manager, and then add the two policies. One is internet and one is intranet. You can actually make it in any way, anyhow possible, and just practice it out. It actually is not going to take that much of things and to do this. For the appliance, I have been using just let me check it out what did I download. So yep, I downloaded a 14.5.1, which was working fine for me for everything. And like you can actually go ahead and download it from ciscos.com website, like software.cisco.com. If not, then just let me know like how we can actually do it. That way I can actually guide you up for that. Okay, so like I also have it on the EVNG for the same ones. Uh, this is the same version. Like it's just not the one. It's actually just zero dot something. It's going to be fine as well. That's not going to be an issue. Um, I have my I might have given you the lab for sorry the images links for the previous videos and all. So like use that to download the images and all for it. Okay. The rest of the thing, it's actually very simple. It's not even a big topology. It's actually just a router, switch, and a Windows PC, and just the AWS is connected in that way. So now we can wind up for today. So the next topic, I'll be telling it to my colleagues, and they will inform you about that, and we can go ahead with it. Okay.